Hello everyone, welcome back to Expert Medical Coding. In today's video, we are going to start Chapter 4, Endocrine, Nutritional and Metabolic Diseases from ICD-10-CM. This chapter covers codes from E00 to E89 and Diabetes Mellitus codes falls under categories E08 to E13. In this video, I'll explain the diabetes coding guidelines step by step in a very simple way, and I'll also give real coding examples so you can easily understand how to apply this guideline in practice. So let's get started. And here is the guideline. Diabetes mellitus. The diabetes mellitus codes are combination codes that include the type of diabetes mellitus, the body system affected, and the complications affecting that body system. As many codes within a particular category as are necessary to describe all of the complications of the disease may be used. They should be sequenced based on the reason for a particular encounter. Assign as many codes from categories E08 to E13 as needed to identify all of the associated conditions that the patient has. Now that we have read the guideline, let's break it down into an easy to understand explanation. Let us first see the first line of the guideline that says that diabetes mellitus codes are combination codes that include the type of diabetes mellitus, the body system affected, and the complications affecting that body system. This means one single code can give multiple pieces of information. A diabetes combination code can tell us the type of diabetes, the body system affected, and the complication caused by diabetes. So instead of assigning multiple separate codes, one combination code can capture everything together. Let us see an example here. Type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy. The correct code here is E11.40, type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy. Here, one combination code can tell us type of diabetes, that is type 2 in this scenario, body system affected, that is nervous system, and complication, that is neuropathy. Now let's move towards the next line of the guideline, and that says as many codes within a particular category as are necessary to describe all of the complications of the disease may be used. This means if patient has multiple complications due to diabetes, we should assign multiple diabetes codes from a particular category to capture all complications, because each complication may have its own specific code. Let us see an example. Type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy and diabetic nephropathy. So here the correct coding will be E11.40, type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy, and E11.21, type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic nephropathy. Why two codes? Because the patient has two different complications and both must be captured. Now let us look at the next line of the guideline that says they should be sequenced based on the reason for a particular encounter. Let us see an example to understand this. The patient comes to the hospital today for treatment of numbness and burning pain in the feet, which is caused by diabetic neuropathy. The provider also documents that the patient has diabetic nephropathy, but it is not the main reason for today's visit. So correct coding and sequencing here will be E11.40 to be given first, type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy, and E11.21 as secondary, type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic nephropathy. Why this sequencing? Because the main reason for the encounter is neuropathy symptoms. So the code for the diabetic neuropathy is sequenced first. The diabetic nephropathy code is reported next because it is an additional documented complication, but not the primary reason for the visit. Now let's see the last line of the guideline that says assign as many codes from categories E08 to E13 as needed to identify all of the associated conditions that the patient has. This means that if patient has multiple complications caused by diabetes, we must assign multiple diabetes codes to capture all those complications. Let us see one example scenario here. A patient with type 2 diabetes mellitus visits the clinic for a follow-up. The provider documents the following complications related to diabetes: diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy, and diabetic retinopathy. So here the correct coding will be E11.40 type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic neuropathy, E11.21 type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic nephropathy, and E11.319 for type 2 diabetes mellitus with diabetic retinopathy. Why multiple codes? Because the patient has three different diabetic complications, and each complication has its own specific combination code. So according to the guideline, we assign multiple codes from category E11 to identify all associated conditions that the patient has. This ensures complete and accurate coding of all diabetic complications.
Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.